Hello students, in today's lecture we'll see the problems on curve fitting by using a least square sense for the curve y is equal to a into x raised to b form. The problem is fit a least square sense geometric curve, we call it as geometric curve, y is equal to a into x raised to b for the following data. So x values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, y values are 0.5, 2, 4.5, 8, 12.5. Solution: consider that is given thing is what here, y is equal to a into x raised to b. So which is nothing but, directly we have to write it, which is nothing but capital Y is equal to capital A plus B into capital X. So this is equation number 1. Okay, then this is my equation number 2, where what is capital Y? We have to remember it is nothing but log of small y. Then capital A is nothing but log of small a. Then capital B is nothing but small b, and capital X is equal to log of small x. You have to remember this. This is very, very important. You have to remember it. No need of taking log on both side and all. Directly we have to write capital Y is equal to a into bx, and we should know these all form. Capital Y is equal to log of small y, a is nothing but log of small a, capital B is nothing but small b, and capital X is nothing but log of small x. Now we'll prepare a normal equation to the equation number 2. So normal equation to equation 2, that is summation of capital Y is equal to n into capital A plus b into summation of capital X. So multiply capital X on both sides, that is summation of xy is equal to a into summation of capital X plus b into summation of capital X square. So I will give equation number 3 for this. So based on this equation number 3, we need to prepare a table. So let's see the table now. Now in the table, this is x column, small y column. Then we need actually a capital X and summation of capital X and summation of capital Y. So capital X is nothing but log of small x, and capital Y is nothing but log of small y. Fine. So then we need a capital XY, then capital X square. So summation of capital Y will get from this, summation of capital X will get from this, summation of capital XY will get from this column, then summation of X will get from this column, summation of X square will get from the last column. So therefore this is, we don't want this summation of capital X we needed, summation of capital Y we needed, summation of capital XY we needed, then summation of X square we needed here. Then we'll see the values of small x. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y value is 0.5, 2, 4.5, 8 and 12.5. Now just to get a capital X value, which is nothing but log of small x, we have to use the calculator here for that. So to write this in the calculator, so log x to the base e, nothing means base e, so at that time you have to use ln option. So ln of, prepare a x here, alpha x, close the bracket and go for calc option. So it will ask the value of x. When x is 1, equal to sign, so answer is 0, so write 0. When x is 2, equal to sign, then put x is equal to 2. It will ask x value here, x is 2, then answer is 0.6931. 0.6931. Next, then when x is equal to 3, so answer is 1.0986. Next, when x is equal to 4, so it will be 1.3863 will make, because fourth place will round up by seeing the fifth one, so it will be 1.3863. Next, similarly, we'll go for when x is equal to 5, so it will be 1.6094. So in that way we have completed the capital column X. So summation of capital X will be, on calculation, it will become 4.7874. Similarly, we need to work out for capital Y also here. Now we'll go for capital Y. So ln of y, okay, go for calc option. When y is 0.5, when y is 0.5, so it will be minus 0.6931, minus 0.6931. Okay, so next, equal to when x is 2, y is 2, so it will be plus 0.6931. Fine. It is 1.5041. 5041. Next, similarly, if you work out, the other values will be, if when x is y value is 8, so it will become 2.0794, and when y is 12.5, so ln of 12.5 will be 2.5257. So on adding these, so it will become 6.1092. So next we need to multiply capital X into capital Y. So 0 into minus value will be what here again, 0 itself, 0.0931 into 0.69. So 0.6931 into 0.6931, it will become 0.4804. Next, on multiplication of this, we'll get 1.6524. Then next is 2.8827. Then next one is 4.0649. So on adding this, we'll get summation of xy, which will be 9.0804. Then we need to work for capital X. So capital X square, so x square value we have to 0 square is 0, so 0.6931 square will be 0.4804. 1.0986 square will be 1.2069. So next value of square will be 1.9218. Then next 1.6094 square will be 2.5902. So if you add these values, we'll get summation of x square, which will be 6.1993. So we got all these summations. So these summations, whatever summations we'll got it, we have to apply in equation number 3. We'll get a equation. We'll see that equation now. Now I have collected all the summations once again. So here n value, if you count it, it will be 5. So therefore equation 3 becomes, so our equation 3 is what here, normal equation. So equation 3 becomes, so on rearrangement, finally I will write it is 5a plus 4.7874 into b is equal to 6.1092, and second equation will be 4.7874 into capital A plus 6.199 into B into 3 into B is equal, capital B is equal to 9.0804. So if you apply these, I have applied and I rearranged directly here, so you will get this. So here I have missed, summation of x square value is 6.1993. so we'll get, so this is 6.1993 it is into B. Now we'll use a calculator for this. So mode, option 5, equation. So we have two constants, that is first one we have to choose. So A value is, so coefficient of capital A is 5, next is 4.7874, next constant is 6.1092. then second equation coefficients are 4.7874, then next is 6.1993, next is 9.0804. If you put equal to sign, so the value of capital A will be, here, it is minus 0.693. Then next, if you press one more time equal to sign, so value of capital B will be 2.0000. okay. So on simplification, so again we have to simplify, but capital A is nothing but log of small a, so which implies small a is equal to e raised to capital A, which is equal to e raised to capital A value, we have to collect it, minus 0.6931, so which is nothing but a is equal to, so we again, I will take the calculator here. So you can observe here in this calculator, so we have to use here yellow color, that is press shift into LAN, it will become e raised to value. So this e raised to value, in this value we have to apply the value here, that is minus 0.6931 and press equal to sign. So what answer will get, it is nothing but the value 0.5, I will take only, so it will become 0.5. and as we know that capital, here on level right, capital B is nothing but small b, so B is nothing but what here, 2. So equation 1 becomes, that is y is equal to a into x raised to b, that is y is equal to a value is 0.5 x raised to 2. So this is required fit here. So in this way we need to simplify the problems.